Hi everyone, Vanita here. Welcome to Vanita Style Book. We are watching Weather Series Season 1, Episode 4. A quick recap of the last episode. It is about tornadoes, thunderstorms, fog, cyclones, hurricanes, typhoons, and sandstorms. In this episode, we are gonna see about weather station, weather instruments, additional instruments, and personal weather station. The first is weather station. A weather station is a facility either on land or sea with instruments and equipment for measuring the atmospheric conditions, provide information for weather forecasts, and to study the weather and the climate. These measurements include temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, and precipitation amounts. Wind temperatures can be taken with few obstructions as possible, while the temperature and the humidity measurements are kept free from direct solar radiation and insolation. Manual observations are taken at least once daily, while automated measurements are taken at least once an hour. Weather conditions outside at sea are measured by ships and buoys, which measure slightly different meteorological quantities such as sea surface temperature, wave height, and wave period. The next is weather instruments. Typical weather station have the following weather instruments: thermometer for measuring air and sea surface temperatures, barometer for measuring atmospheric pressure, hygrometer for measuring humidity, anemometer for measuring the wind speed, pyranometer for measuring solar radiation. The next one is rain gauge for measuring the liquid precipitation over a set period of time. And the next one is windsock for measuring the general wind speed and wind direction. And the last one is wind vane, also called weather vane. It shows whence the wind is blowing. Additional weather instruments include present weather or precipitation identification sensor for identifying falling precipitation, distrometer for measuring the drop size distribution. The next one is transmissionometer for measuring the visibility, and ceilometer for measuring the cloud ceiling. The next is personal weather station. Personal weather station is a set of weather measuring instruments operated by a private individual, club, association, or business. Personal weather stations have become more advanced and can include many different sensors to measure the weather conditions. Other available sensors can measure soil moisture, soil atmosphere, and leaf wetness. The quality, number of instruments, and the placement of the personal weather stations can vary widely, making the determination of which weather station can collect accurate, meaningful, and comparable data. There are numerous range of retail weather stations available. These sensors can vary between the models, but most measure wind speed, wind direction, outdoor and indoor temperature, outdoor and indoor humidity, rainfall, barometric pressure, and UV or solar radiation. Open source weather stations are available where that are designed to be fully customized by users. Personal weather stations may typically involve the digital console that readouts the data which is being collected. So it may interface with the personal computer where the data is being displayed, stored, and uploaded to the distributed system or to the website. Personal weather station may be operated solely for the enjoyment and education of the owner, while some owners share their results with others. They do this by manually compiling the data and distributing it distributing the data over the internet or distributing the data via amateur radio. Weather Underground website is a popular destination for the submittal and sharing of data with others around the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe, like, and share. Have a good one. See you in the next episode.